So today I got this beautiful GMT two-tone rose gold. As you guys see, it needs polish, but the problem is not just in that it needs polish. There is a big problem here. As you see guys, the clasp is broken. So this is a common problem. It happens in the two-tone because Rolex, they just glue this on the clasp. Like, this is not all the way gold. Like, you can see the back, it's steel. Let me try to show you closer, guys, what I'm saying. If you look at this, you think it's gold all the way. It's not really gold. It's from behind, it's steel, as you guys see. And the gold is just a little piece that they glue on the top of the clasp, and if we take it out, it will come off easy. As you guys see, this is the glue. And yeah, Rolex is still not perfect. I don't like this work. So what I'm gonna do here, we're gonna polish the watch again, because as you see, it's not in a good condition. We're gonna make it like new. We're gonna polish it, and for this I'm not gonna glue it back. I will make sure to laser this piece again to the clasp and make it stronger than what Rolex made. And yeah, just I'll try to laser a little bit from here, and give it a little touched up so it can be nicer and stronger than the original. So I guess this is the best way to fix this clasp. And then we're gonna do the polish and make sure the watch will be like new and this problem will not happen again. So here we have the clasp after the polish and fixing this piece. Let me show you guys how we laser this area here and here. As you can see, this is very thin, like you can't even see it from the side, as this part is gonna be on the clasp. So this part you cannot see, it's gonna be completely on this clasp. Let me show you. It's gonna be like that. So there is no way to see what's behind here, so we put it together. As you guys see, this side we cannot see anything, this side we can see it, but when the bracelet goes in here, we're not gonna be able to see the solid. And it's really strong, like it's way stronger than the way Rolex make it. Let me show you when closed. This is how it looks like. You can't even tell, it's flush with the clasp, and it is strong. And this side you can't see anything, and this side you cannot see anything. Even if you open this, let me show you, even when you open this, like you cannot see anything, and it's really strong. As we move this as well, it's good, you cannot see it. Well, just let's put the bracelet together with the watch. Okay, I'll show you my way, guys, how to do it. So we grab it like that so we don't scratch the lugs, and we just go like this. Very simple, just like that. So the other side, this is what I'm using. So let's do the same. We grab this first, press, and then put the case inside it, and then just move it a little bit so it goes inside the case without scratching the case. And for this, it's very simple too. I usually use my nail for this spring bar because it's very easy. We can just do like this. Yep, and it's perfect. That's what I'm saying, guys, we cannot see the inside of the clasp, never. And it's very clean, very strong. Yep, and this is how it looks like. Nice and clean.